Oh hi, I'm James. This is the Sneaky Grind Cafe, and today we're going to show you how to make a nice latte. An iced latte, not a nice latte. Although our lattes are quite nice. We've got a 16-ounce mason jar. We've got a piccolo glass that we're going to decant our coffee into, mainly because our portafilter doesn't fit over this properly. But this guy is really handy because it can show you at home how much coffee we're going to use. First things first, let's get some ice. It's ice to meet you. Used to be a cocktail waiter. Not bad. We had some milk poured over our ice. Ideally, milk from the fridge. And just to keep things a little bit interesting, we're gonna add some vanilla into the milk. That way it'll combine nicely with the coffee once it's added. And now we just put this under our portafilter and wait a minute. If you encounter this problem at home too, don't worry. Every single iced latte that we make at this size here at the cafe, we decant into a shot glass first. All right, time to run a double espresso shot into this glass. Now, all that remains to do is decant our coffee into our glass. And watch the magic happen. Like all good mixologists, I'm just going to give it a stir. There you have it. One iced latte, just a touch of vanilla. You can mix and match the milks. They're very good on almond milk, delicious on oat milk. Soy milk's a winner. This particular one's on dairy milk. Look how nice that looks. Bring on summer. Yoo-hoo.